Assuming you're searching for EOS cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and sort of need to know where the costs of EOS will go from here on out, which is genuinely huge. We will examine the exact past costs of EOS, and we'll sort of figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts, not to, for the most part, make reference to anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible, which is very critical. In any case, we will, all things considered, make an honest effort. How about we start fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking? EOS genuinely past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the really current cost of EOS is 78 cents, and EOS by and large is right now generally position number 49 in the whole crypto biological system. The course supply of EOS is 1,096,847,399. With a market cap of $858,555,354. In the essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 2.3% in its ongoing worth amazingly. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the EOS with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the EOS basically was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.53%. EOS has shown exceptionally serious areas of strength, 4 of potential of late, and this could be decent, an open door to dive right in and contribute. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of EOS diminished by 36.926%. Disposing of an incredible typical amount of 46 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent especially purchase and open door for by and large speedy venture, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change is near 28.12%, and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $1.01 to sort of greatest normal cost of $1.12. In the beyond 90 days, EOS is somewhere near 13.74%, with the especially most extreme pretty typical cost of the coin was around 89 cents, and the base truly normal value of was around 87 cents in beyond 4 months amazingly. We foresee future EOS cost expectations. EOS estimate, by applying profound genuinely man-made brain power, help specialized investigation on the past value information of EOS. We give our altogether exceptionally most extreme verifiable information for the EOS coin, which by and large incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, EOS market cap, EOS volume, and hardly any genuinely more. Assuming you really are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, fundamentally try to peruse our expectations. EOS value expectation 2023, according to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2023. The cost of EOS is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 84 cents. The EOS cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 96 cents, with the typical worth of 87 cents. EOS value forecast 2024. The cost of 1 EOS by and large is supposed to reach at least degree of $1.20 in 2024. The EOS cost can generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.46. With the typical cost of $1.24, all through 2024. EOS value gauge for 2025, according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of EOS is explicitly anticipated to fundamentally reach at least degree of $1.76. The EOS cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.12, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.83. As opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. EOS value expectation 2026. The cost of EOS certainly is generally anticipated to really reach at a sort of least worth of $2.59 in 2026. The EOS cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $3.07, with the typical exchanging cost of $2.68, all through 2026. EOS Value Expectation 2027. As per our very profound specialized examination on past value information of EOS, in 2027, the cost of EOS is estimated to truly be at around a base worth of $3.83, which is very critical. The EOS value worth can arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $4.52, with the typical exchanging worth of $3.97 in United States dollars, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In an unpretentious manner, EOS Value Expectation 2028 as per our in every way that really matters, profound specialized examination on past value information of EOS, in 2028. The cost of EOS is anticipated to reach at least degree of $5.49. The EOS cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $6.58, with the typical exchanging cost of $5.65. In an unobtrusive manner, EOS Value Expectation 2029 EOS cost in every practical sense is conjecture to arrive at an especially the most minimal conceivable degree of $8.26 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the EOS cost could arrive at a most extreme certainly conceivable degree of $9.60, with the typical conjecture cost of $8.54. EOS Value Figure 2030. The cost of EOS is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $12.31 in 2030. The EOS cost can sort of arrive at a greatest degree of $14.15, with the kind of cost of $12.65 all through 2030. EOS Value Expectation 2031 EOS cost, in a real sense, is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $19.16 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the EOS cost could arrive at a greatest most certainly conceivable degree of $21.12, with the genuinely normal gauge cost of $19.67, as opposed to mainstream thinking, which basically is genuinely critical. EOS Value Expectation 2032 The cost of EOS is in every way that really matters, anticipated to all things considered, reach at an all things considered least worth of $28.44 in 2032. The EOS cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $33.05, with the typical exchanging cost of $29.42, all through 2032. EOS Value Figure Facts. What is the EOS cost today? Today, EOS is exchanging at 78 cents. With the market cap of $858,555,354.000. How high could EOS at any point go, as opposed to mainstream thinking? The typical cost of EOS